Guys, so let's transform this 4C hair to this amazing sleek ponytail, right? So this is my hair, this is my hair. And then she went ahead to spray in heat protectant spray just to protect the hair, and then she went ahead to blow dry it, basically that. So just watch carefully, it's very, very detailed. And we are switching to hair a little bit. We are going to do a lot about hair. So if you are interested in learning how to make your own wig, how to slick down your own hair, how to style your own hair in different styles, then stick and stay, and don't forget to subscribe. And so this is she just blowing and blow drying my hair just to straighten it a little bit so it can lay flat. And you see how my hair has become. This is 1 year. I'll share my secrets with you. This is 1 year of my hair. I cut it, and then I'm trying to move from natural, that's 4C, to permed, right? So I've permed it once, and this is how it looks like. It's really, really thick, and here I'll share my secret with you. Don't worry. So stick and stay, and you see the secret on this very channel. So yeah, she went ahead to hot comb my hair. So whatever you do to get the hair to lay flat, my dear, do it. Like anything you have to do to let the hair lay flat, just do it. Okay, so now she went ahead to hot comb it so it could lay very flat. So just enjoy the video. So after the hot comb, she just hold it together, and then she went ahead to use wax stick to this thing. It didn't bend me. It didn't really bend me. I was just trying to be skirmishes. So she went ahead to use wax stick to also help it to lay flat, and then she went in with the brush to help it. Anything at all you do to make this hair lie flat, do it, especially if it's 4C. It will disgrace you, my dear. It will disgrace you. So anything at all you can do within your power to make this hair lay flat, just do it. So she went ahead to brush it with the comb and the brush, and then she went in with more wax stick just to help with any flyaways, and yeah, just to help the hair to lay flat. Then the wax stick is a bit creamish, right? So she went in with the hot comb just to melt the wax stick a little bit. Then she went ahead to use the brush again to lay it flat. Now, before you put the glue on the skin, you have to clean the skin with alcohol or spirit, just to get rid of any oil or anything that will stop the glue from sticking well, right? So she went ahead to clean my forehead. We didn't use the bald cap method, right? So she went ahead to clean my forehead, and then this is the glue. This glue can hold your destiny together, bro. This glue, let me know if you need some. This glue can hold your destiny together, and it is good for bridal hairstyle and any hairstyle, any occasion that you sweat a lot. This glue is the best. The other glues may come off, or it may detach from your skin, or it will disgrace you in the afternoon when you start sweating. But this glue, bro, hey, this glue. All right, so she applied 3 layers of the glue, and then each layer you wait till it's dry. It dries quite fast too, so you wait till it dries, and then you apply the next layer and then the next layer, just to hold it together, because you don't want any disgrace. So then she went ahead to place the frontal And then the frontal is best to ask the client how she wants it. I was going to say he or she, how she wants it, either a bit forward or a bit backward. But then the ideal thing is to be a little away from the hairline, right? So yeah, she went ahead to comb it, the front, just the edges down, so that the glue will enter it very well. Very, very well, yeah. And then this is it. This is me holding it just to leave my support, you know. So yeah, she laid it very, very flat, and you can see it's giving scalp already. The lace is quite good, but then before that, she had to put foundation on the lace just to match my skin. Then you don't need a lot of melting spray. So then I forgot to record. The some part wasn't recording actually, but then what she basically did was to put the elastic band on my hair, on the hairline, and then she went ahead to use holding spray to spray the hair to get it this sleek. Just spray the holding spray, and then she patted the middle, and then just brush it down, that just like she's doing now. And then she's just going to comb it together with my hair, the ponytail of my hair, and then braid it down, basically that. Just enjoy the video. Now, after braiding it down, she went ahead to sew. It's better to sew because if you use glue, it may come off. So the best thing to do, to the best of my knowledge, is to sew, right? We triple wefted the bundles, so it's triple wefted. Let me know if you want. I'll leave a link to a video on how to triple weft your bundles. And so we triple wefted the bundles, and then we went ahead to sew it to my hair. So that's basically what she's doing now. So after sewing, she took a portion from the back. It's always good to take from the back. Then you spray it with holding spray, and then you wrap it around the hair just to leave that thing you've been seeing. So yeah, just wrap it around tightly, and then you can secure it with a bobby pin after, and that's basically it. And then I was going to say something, I forgot it. So I was supposed to straighten the back of my hair. I was feeling lazy, so I didn't do it. She finished, and then I did my edges myself, and then she went ahead to define the line. She used foundation. You can use foundation or concealer, but it's ideal to use concealer just to define the middle part, or wherever you part, use concealer to define it. And basically that's all about sleek ponytail. So yeah, this is she going over to brush the ends, the ponytail itself, and then doing the skirmishes. And bro, when they relieve you of this band, it's like heaven. The difference between having it on and releasing it's like heaven and hell. Hair is difficult, like it's hard. It will be hurting your ear and all that. Well, beauty is pain, so we have to keep quiet. So this is she trying to get the glue off my edges, because after holding it with the melting band, it's actually elastic band. So after holding with the elastic band, it had attached itself to the glue a little bit. So just release. I was tired. Released a little, and then she cleaned my forehead with alcohol, or isopropane, or any spirit. So I went ahead to do my edges myself, like I said, and then this is me slicking my edges. We are basically done. So if you've watched up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe, because we have a lot of goodies for you. We are doing how to thread a machine, how to double weft, how to triple weft, how to stitch, how to a lot, like a lot, how to and what again, how to adjust your cup. Like a lot of videos are coming up. So this is she defining the line in the middle with a concealer, and so you don't want to miss any of this. And bro, after she was done, this is the beauty. This is the beauty to behold. It would have been nicer if I straightened the back, but bro, it's still giving what it's supposed to give. So don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section if you want to learn machine stitch one-on-one. I'm ready to teach you. And so thank you so much for stopping by the channel once again. My name is Palma, and today we are doing a hair slick down. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Mwah.